This is the Real Estate Fun Game, Georgia License Law 2. Here are your instructions. For each question, the answer will appear. You provide the question, just like in that very famous TV game show. You'll get 3 seconds to come up with the answer. Keep track of right and wrong, just so you can measure progress. Run this fun game as many times as it takes until you're ready for prime time. Are you ready? Question 1. In order to collect a commission on real estate transaction through a court, the claimant must have held this at the time the alleged action arose. What is a valid license? Question 2. A salesperson applicant who has met all of the qualifications may begin work as a salesperson as soon as this happens. What is when the broker receives his or her wall certificate from the commission? Question 3. Deny licenses, revoke or suspend licenses, and impose fines are all within the authority of this. What is the Real Estate Commission? Question 4. In addition to a reputation of incompetence or untrustworthiness, applications for licensure as a salesperson may be denied a license if the commissioner finds evidence of this. What is misrepresentation of information on an application? Question 5. In addition to dishonest conduct and violating the license law, the commission may revoke or suspend a licensee's license for this. What is dishonest conduct? Question 6. In addition to reprimand of the licensee, first-time technical violations of the license law may result in this. What is required education for the licensee? Question 7. In addition to a reinstatement fee to renew a license within 2 years of the day it lapsed, a licensee must pay this. What is all renewal fees and late charges which would have been due while the license was lapsed? Question 8. In addition to being federally insured, a resident broker in Georgia who accepts funds must deposit the funds in a bank which is this. What is in Georgia? Question 9. A non-resident broker may deposit funds in a bank in his or her state with this. What is permission of the Real Estate Commission? Question 10. In addition to the name by which his or her trust account is identified, a broker must register with the Real Estate Commission this. What is the name of the bank? Question 11. In addition to the commission, authorization to examine a broker's account must be given to this. Who are representatives of the commission? Question 12. Loss of license, fine, criminal prosecution, and civil damages may all be imposed on a licensee who violates this. What is the Fair Housing Law? Question 13. In addition to not using misleading advertising, in advertising real estate for sale, brokers must not do this. What is misrepresent the property? Question 14. After a listing is expired, the sign offering the properties for sale must be removed within this time period. What is 10 days? Question 15. In addition to his own personal funds, a broker is prohibited from commingling funds belonging to this. What is his or her real estate firm? Question 16. If it has reason to believe a violation has occurred, the Georgia Real Estate Commission may do this. What is conduct an investigation? Question 17. The Georgia Real Estate Commission must conduct an investigation of a violation of the license law when this happens. What is receipt of a sworn written complaint? Question 18. Hearing for alleged violations of license law or commission rules are conducted and sanctions recommended under the supervision of this. Who is the Attorney General? Question 19. The commission may not impose sanctions before this happens. What is a hearing? Question 20. In addition to protecting consumers and providing money for research and development and educational programs, the purpose of the Real Estate Education, Research, and Recovery Fund has a purpose for this. What is protect consumers who suffered damage at the hands of a licensee. Question 21. To receive up to a $25,000 per transaction fund and a $75,000 maximum paid, claims on the Education, Research, and Recovery Fund must be initiated within this period. What is 2 years? Question 22. In addition to a judgment being secured and a writ of execution being secured, claims against the Education, Research, and Recovery Fund will not be recognized until this happens. What is the licensee's non-exempt real or personal property has been sold? Question 23. Licensees may be assessed a sum at license renewal in order for the Education, Research, and Recovery Fund to maintain a balance of this. What is $1 million? Question 24. The Commission may impose fines, revoke or suspend licenses, order completion of courses, and reprimand the censure of licensees, but cannot do this. What is send a violator to jail? Question 25. When a salesperson has qualified for licensure, they are issued this. What is a pocket card? Note, the salesperson's license is issued to a designated broker. Question 26. The salesperson's license is issued to a broker, must be renewed periodically, and are issued in the form of a wall certificate, but need not be this. What is carried by the salesperson? That's it for Georgia License Law 2. Click on some of our other tests as a fun, fast way to learn your real estate terminology.